Hey guys, welcome back. So today we just received this GV70 full electric. So I just finished my pre-delivery inspection and this. So most of the interior stuff are all the same, like the regular GV70, right? We got this boost button, like our GV60. Our GV60 was there, placed here, and we don't have RPM. We just have this power, what do you call it, power consumption gauge or something like that. And our audio unit almost the same except the EV portion of it, right? So we got this EV portion like our GV60, right? So yeah, I think the space wise on this it's just the same. Yeah, so we're just gonna go and show you what's the difference in this one. Of course, this is electric. We don't have anything under the hood there. Suspension wise, they're almost the same, right? The battery location is just there underneath the vehicle, same as GV60. The 12-volt battery in this is in the trunk. I'm gonna show you guys about that. And what else? Okay, there's no exhaust tips on the outside itself. You can't tell if it's a regular GV70 or an electric, because I don't see any markings at the back. It says electric, right? It just says GV70, and just by looking at it, maybe you can notice there's no exhaust tips. Okay, so maybe that's a electric, but exterior wise, quick glance, you will just think that this is just a regular GV70. So let's go outside and show you what's under the hood and the trunk, and I guess that's about it. So on our wheels got this design. It's different from the GV70. Maybe this is for airflow, because since it's electric, it's gonna use a lot of regenerative braking. You can notice too that our caliper color is white. The same size on the front, it has a big brakes there. The back one has smaller ones. I don't know if the exterior color of the car is, let's say, red. I don't know if it comes with red color on the caliper too. So yeah, the same tire size, 265 40 20. So yeah, so let's go to the trunk. So here's our trunk area. I just pulled up our cover there so that I don't have to remove anything. So you got this VTL, they call it vehicle to load. So this is what you plug into your charger area, and then you can use an exterior appliances to power that appliance, right? I think this is our charger. Underneath here, let me remove this guy here. Okay, so underneath here, just in case if you're gonna look for the 12-volt battery, it's gonna be here. So that's our 12-volt battery, right? Just in case if you're gonna look for it. There's no spare tire on this model because there's no space for a spare tire, so they have the tire mobility kit. So we're gonna go now on the under the hood, and let's see. So in front of the car, as you can see here, there's no grill. Here's our charger charging port. It's here, right? I got this one here and one for DC charger at the bottom. So under the hood we got this luggage here. I just removed that. You will not go further than this, because unless you're gonna fix this car or this kind of model, So there's just 1 2 3 7 bolts holding this 10 mm. So this is inside the hood. We got the multi-inverter here. That's why the charger is in the front. Unlike the GV60, the multi-inverter is at the back because the charging port is at the back. Here's our fuse box here, just in case you need power, unless you're gonna have a dead battery. So this is where you put your charger, right? Negative, ground, and positive, just to boost the vehicle if the 12-volt battery is dead. We got our service interlock here, so this is for fireman and our first responder. They just have to pull this, and if we're gonna work, if you're a technician, that's your service interlock location. And what else? What's else the difference of this? So I guess that's it. Here's our tire mobility kit. So that's how, what's inside there, the pressure and the liquid stuff if we got a flat tire. So I guess that's about it, guys. As you can see there on the side, it looks the same as GV70 regular. Well, this is a GV70. So yeah, that's just a quick overview on this new GV70 electric.